Good morning. All right. I'm attempting my first day streaming through Restream so that I can stream simultaneously to Mixer and to YouTube. I'm going to go out and check to see if I actually am streaming at any of these places. So let me figure out how I go out to YouTube and check out on my channel. It says I'm live now. Yeah, so it's working out on YouTube. So let's go check at Mixer to see if it says I'm live on Mixer. I can see myself live on Mixer. All right. Anyhow, I'm live out on both. That's kind of exciting there. I think that's fun. Anyhow, it must be day 6. Day 6 of my entrepreneurial journey today. And if you're just watching these for the very first time, thank you for watching these. What are these live streams? Last week I decided that I was going to stop working for a consulting company and I was going to start up my own business. So that's what I did, and one of the ideas I came up with along the way was it maybe be a fun idea, maybe a helpful idea to start live streaming every day some of the things I'm working on. And so this is the 6th one of these I've done. I don't know how long I will continue to do these. I want to do them for a couple of reasons. One, I want to sort of document my journey a little bit, some of the things I did, some of the decisions I made at the beginning here. And 2, another reason, I wanted some practice at live streaming and live video. And so I just thought if I just do this a little bit every day, it's going to provide me a little bit of practice doing this. So right now I'm going to try to figure out, I'm streaming through Restream, but what I'm trying to figure out here is how do I check on some of my analytics? How do I view how do I check on my analytics? How do I see if anybody's watching? How do I do any of that stuff? So that's what I'm currently looking through a couple of my streams here. I got Mixer up over there. YouTube. Trying to figure out how I get to my live stream on YouTube. Anyhow, so if you happen to be watching these, please leave me a like or leave me a comment, whether you're on Mixer or on YouTube. But thanks for watching. Today, I don't really have a big topic for today to talk about. It's more just about a little bit of a strategy, and I have sort of 2 focuses for the business that I want to create. One of them is I want to do some consulting around data strategy for some local Midwest-based companies because I've been approached about doing this type of stuff, and I've never really said yes to it before, but now I've decided I'm going to start saying yes to these, and so I'm going to start making some of those connections and being a little bit more serious about the discussions that are happening there, and if this is actually something that they really want to have, and I can help them do that and help them walk through that process, because I've had a number of conversations over the last 4 or 5 years in South Dakota. I'm from South Dakota in the middle of the United States, but I've had a number of conversations around, we're a business and we've heard about data science. What do we actually do with all that data? We have data and we just want to be better with it. What do we do, Ryan? Can you help us? Who can help us? How do we proceed and move forward? So that's what I'm doing. I'm putting together information and sort of a process flow and some guidelines about how do you go through that process of building out a data strategy for your company. So one of the things is I recently just came up with what I would consider my definition for a data strategy to be. I consider my definition to be a future vision for data usage combined with a roadmap to achieve that vision. So that's kind of how I picture data strategy. It's what do you want the future state to look like, and then how are you going to get there? So when I talk about data strategy, that's what I like to talk about, and that's what I mean when I mention data strategy. But yeah, so I've worked on some Instagram posts around that, and can I get some Instagram posts together to see what's all there? Also, where else can I share this content? Can I share it out on LinkedIn and maybe write some blog posts on LinkedIn about it? That's probably a good idea. Another thing, this afternoon I have a meeting with a local business, and talking to them a little bit about what do they need for a data strategy. I don't know exactly what to expect in the meeting. I don't know if it's necessarily a sales call. I think it's more of they just want to know what I can help them with, and I want to know a little bit more about what their business problems are and how I can potentially help them. So that's kind of exciting and fun to have one of those this afternoon. What else do I got going on this week? I also need to put together a small little bio of myself, because tomorrow I'm speaking on a panel at a conference in town, and I'm going to talk about data science and its importance and why South Dakota is a good place for data science and why we want to use data science. So maybe that's actually a topic I could put together. I'm going to make a note for that. All right, why South Dakota for data science? Yeah, I think that's a topic I could talk a lot about. I think I have a number of things to say around that topic and why South Dakota is a good choice. And so maybe I could put together, do a live stream some morning about why that is the case and just why South Dakota is a good option for data science. So I could do that. But yeah, I'm speaking on a panel tomorrow. It should be a good time. I have never been to the conference before. I think it's called the South Dakota Technology Expo, and it largely focuses on technology and important technology topics to South Dakota. So it's fun that I get to be there. Hopefully it's a good time. Hopefully I run into some people I know and meet some people I don't know. So that will be good. Couple of other things. Still working on getting some videos together to throw it onto the YouTube channel. But that's pretty much my update for today. Tomorrow, my live stream, I don't know, I usually do these in the morning. I will be at the event tomorrow morning, so it may not end up happening until tomorrow afternoon. But anyhow, that's what it is. Anyhow, thanks for watching today, and I'll be back sometime tomorrow with another live stream and some updates. Maybe I'll do the live stream later in the day so that I can talk about what actually happened at the conference and how that works. So maybe that's a good topic for tomorrow, is what I talked about on the panel at the conference tomorrow. So look forward to that. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Have a great day.